ang buong katotohanan, sa di umano'y relasyon nina AC Bonifacio at Darren Espanto. Kung maaalala noong nakaraang taon nang magtambal ang dalawa for the first time, kung saan bumida sila sa I Want TFC musical romantic drama series na Lyric and Beat. Nabanggit din nila noon na handa naman daw sila sakaling magtuloy-tuloy ang love team nila. Say ni Darren sa dating interview, "It's really about balance. It's how you balance from performing and acting. Also yung iba naming ginagawa outside of that path, syempre may mga other commitments rin kami to attend to. But you really have to know your priorities, and you have to make an effort on everything naman talaga on what you do," dagdag chika pa ng binata. At ngayon, nagsalita na ang kapamilyang actress-dancer na si AC Bonifacio, patungkol sa kumakalat na dating rumors nila ng star magic artist na si Darren Espanto. Sa isang exclusive interview with Push, nilinaw ni AC na matalik silang magkaibigan ni Darren. Paglalarawan pa nga niya na bestest of friends silang dalawa. "Oh my gosh. It's just so funny. Tumatawa na lang ako, kami actually," say ni AC habang tawang-tawa sa kumakalat na chika. Paliwanag pa ng aktres, "Kasi kami ni Darren, we've made it clear in our careers and in our friendship kung ano talaga kami. But he really is my bestest friend in the whole wide world, and we just laugh. There's people bashing me, there's people who support it, there's people who have theories. And it's like do your thing," sambit pa niya. "Darren and I have a good supportive friendship, and that's where it's going to be," chika pa niya sa exclusive na panayam. Sa ngayon, abala si AC sa kanyang kauna-unahang horror film. Tampok siya sa upcoming episode na may titulong mukbang ng horror trilogy na Shake, Rattle, and Roll Extreme. Makakasama niya riyan sina Paul Salas, Jane Oineza, RK Bagatching, Ninong Rai, at Esner Ranolo.